Hi guys, it's Bob Mead, CEO and founder of iQagent. And today I am going to be just showing you a quick video on how to perform an iQagent installation. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. Okay, so I've got a nice clean Windows 10 machine, and I got my master installation from my vendor or my ShareFile site. So we're just going to double click to run the installation. Now prior to this, I highly recommend you do Windows updates. Make sure that everything is completely up to date before you start. Okay, so we'll just click Next. Here's the end user agreement. Agree to that. And I always have release notes that are located here if you want to take a look at these, and then just press Install. So here we have some options, and you can mouse over to see what these are. Prerequisites or things that we need, like the OPC libraries, IIS, .NET, and things like that. The configuration utility, this is where you're going to create your points of interest and your forms and things like that. And we also install IIS if you don't have it, Internet Information Services. If you already do have it, prior to having iQagent, it may not have all the features and everything we need enabled. So I usually recommend keeping this checked just to make sure it updates. Then the iQagent server, this is the data broker between your mobile clients like your iPhone, your iPad, your RealWare HMT1, and the database. And you can also encrypt this communication, use AES 256 encryption. So you can just check this box if you would like. If you do that, then on the client, you also need to enable your TLS in order for it to connect. And then, of course, the license manager. This allows you to purchase and use a license so that you can get all the benefits and features of iQagent. So we're going to leave this at default and just click Next and just hit Install. So here it's just installing one of the C++ redistributables from Microsoft and also the 2015 version. And now it's installing IIS. So some people have been tempted to just close these windows. Don't do that because it'll stop the installation. So it's putting on Internet Information Services, the Management Console, enabling .NET, and some of the other features that we need. So now it's installing the configuration tool, and it's looking for a path. This is for the config website. If you have an extra drive, like an E drive or something, I recommend you put it on that. But since I'm not on a production server, I'll just leave it at default, and it'll create the iQagent config website. Okay, it's setting up the website, installing the OPC core components. This is for OPC DA. And now it's installing the server service, adding a couple of links to the desktop, and we're done. So the first thing you can do, notice that we have a couple of links here on the desktop. So we've got the configuration tool. This is for the local host, and this will tell us if our website was created and configured, and give it a moment to load. Okay, so we have our configuration tool running. So the next step is going to be creating our points of interest, forms, connecting our mobile devices.